Good morning, Adrian. So let me give you the endings to these chords. So you've got these first three chords, right? Which is your B flat, or D minor chord comes first, right? So you've got the A, D, F, B flat, C, and that will lead you there. Let me break down that scale for you. Starts on the note F, which is second finger on the D string. Remember, my strings are one over from you because I've got a violin here. And so it's going to go like this. So repeat that. It just goes 2, 1, 0, which is F, E, D. Excuse me. So go ahead and pause and repeat that 5 times until you're comfortable. And then goes down to the third finger on the C string. So that's the first 4 notes. Third finger on the G string takes you to the note C, and then you go back up to D. So practice this. Or if that's too much, you could just do D, C, D, C, and that would be a good thing to practice as well. So all in all, so far we have this. Starting on second finger F on the D string, we go down the scale to C. And then we go back and forth from open D to third finger C. So I just keep my third finger C down and I go back and forth. So practice that a little bit. Once that's comfortable, here's the next part. I'll start again at the top of the scale so you can see how it connects. And the last part is first finger A on the G string, and you go A, G, A. So and then that first A is actually it's the first note of starting the chords again. So let me show you that again, the whole scale really slowly so you can practice it. So I would practice, do that 5 times, and then once you've got that, here's the whole scale super slowly. Again, go. Again, go. One time, super slow. One time more faster. And you can see how there starts to get kind of a lazy rhythm that comes out of that once you start going fast and swinging it. So that is the end of the first half. Let me play that again all the way through for you. And then the second one is almost the same. So the whole first half is almost the same thing with 2 different endings. So you learned the first ending already. Here is the second ending, which ends the whole section. And you have 3 fast Ds at the end. So it's almost the same thing. But instead of going back up to the D, you just go down to A. So let me show you that again. And practice that 5 times. And pause it and practice that. And then you end with your fast 3 Ds, which we call triola. Oh, I guess there's 4. There's a... And then... So there is a 1 D that comes before it, and then the fast triplet Ds. So, one last time, let me give you the whole thing. With pizzicato, and then I'll show you it slowly with the bow. So if you want to start with the bow this weekend and just kind of start experimenting with that, you can. So here's the whole A section of Tam Lin. Again, there's a whole second half to this song that's harder, but we can learn that next week. Starts on A. Repeats again. So to play that song correctly, you would play that whole entire piece twice through, and then you'd go to the B section. So I'll play it for you now at the bottom.